two, one.
Hey everyone, Chris, Due Diligence Investors. Today we're looking at ticker symbol CMGO, CMG Holdings Incorporated. Looks like it had higher than normal volume of just over 16 million shares at a pretty wide trading range at the high of 0.0092, low of 0.0063, and a close of 0.0074. Uh, Up 27.59% on the day. Looking at the chart, looks like it came from trips over here a couple months ago, had a big move and started an uptrend, getting up a little over 2 cents a share, it looks like, before crashing back down in about the same amount of time and settled right around where it's at today. Let's see, 16.396 million today. Hardly anything on Friday, 249,000. Just over a million on Thursday and Wednesday. Tuesday, 4 million. It looks like they're all over the place as far as volume wise. Going through the OTC markets, see the company profile as soon as it pulls up here. There we go. Company profile: CMG Holding Group Incorporated is a full-service marketing and communications holding company. CMGO's mission is to build a national platform of exceptional companies that deliver solutions in the areas of alternative advertising, social media, marketing services, event management, and commercial rights. CMGO is seeking to expand its national presence via its acquired companies, capitalizing on their intellectual properties, patents, sales and marketing, new product development, and continuing operations via economic recovery. CMGO owns and operates wholly owned subsidiaries: XA, the Experiential Agency Incorporated, and Audio Eye Incorporated. Going to, if you scroll down here, it's incorporated in Nevada. Let's scroll down here. So it shows 450 million shares out. Audited financials, that was as of 2015. It's no longer audited. We'll get into that in here in a minute. CEO Glenn Lakin. Company directors don't believe David Kovacs actually is with the company anymore, per the Secretary of State filings. Incorporated in Nevada, employees 35 as of 2014. I believe it's down to just the CEO at this point. Let's scroll back up here, go into security details. So authorized shares 450 million as of 2017. I believe that's still a good number according to the Secretary of State of Nevada. I go on entity actions amendments. So I believe this is what the last couple days of trading, or actually just today, because they filed this probably after hours on Friday, which is why there was hardly any volume on Friday. Nobody saw these. So it looks like the company's starting to regain operations again. Looks like they failed to have a registered agent. The registered agent resigned in October 2017. The last annual report they filed prior to that was 2015. But then they regained their registered agent, filed an annual report, and got reinstated with the Secretary of State all on last Friday. And scroll down here, Looks like the last time they did was increase in the authorized shares was back in 2011. Raised it from 150 million up to 450 million, which is where it's at today. Let me go ahead and close that out. And if you look here, all the directors, treasurer, secretary, president, they're all the same CEO, Glenn Lakin. Showing 450 million shares authorized, that would be the common stock. 10 million shares is probably like a Series A or Series B, probably Series A. Restricted stocks. Looks like registered agent. And they're now active since they were refiled with the Secretary of State. Original incorporation date is 2004. And that's about all we're going to find in there. Let's see. Let's go to the disclosures and I'll show you. In June of 2018, so just a little over a month ago, June 7th, 2018, the company filed a 15-12G, which is this form here, which terminates their registration under Section 12G of the Securities Exchange Act, basically meaning they don't have to file reports under the SEC anymore, which is not good news for the shareholders. And as you can see here, there's a stop sign on it, pink no information. Even if they begin reporting financials and reporting news again without filing with the SEC or removing themselves from filing with the SEC, that's not a good sign. A lot of OTC companies don't file with the SEC, mostly because of the costs associated with it. But once they become a company that's actually doing business, like if you look in financials back when they were actually doing good business back, actually 2014, looks like it dropped off a lot in 2015. 2014 earlier, they had sizable income at 8 million, 7 million, right in there. That's enough income to sustain their 30 plus employees for the most part. Although it looks like income from continuing operations, they were still negative on those years. Because they haven't been filing in so many years, there's not a whole lot of current due diligence to find out until they start filing again. There's probably quite a few like Google searches you can do of the CEO, since he's pretty much the only executive in the company now. You can do some Google searches of his name, look and see if there's uh, other companies that he's associated with. Look and see if there's any other companies out there saying that they're doing business with CMG Holdings. And not likely going to happen, but there's most likely, since he's filing with the Secretary of State of Nevada again, he's probably going to be posting news soon, relatively soon. Probably has something to post. That's just my opinion from experience. That's about all we're going to cover on this one. I hope everyone has a good night. Thanks.